In today's video, I'll show you how to take and share screen capture in Microsoft Teams. Screenshots are one of the quickest ways to show exactly what you're seeing, especially when you're troubleshooting an issue or explaining something to a teammate. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will guide you step by step in a clear and simple way. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. From there, click the Sign In button and log in using your Microsoft Teams account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Teams dashboard where you can access all available features. Next, head over to the chat section. This is where all your one-on-one and group conversations are located. Browse through your chat list and open the conversation where you want to share a screenshot. This could be a specific message, an image, or any on-screen content you want to capture and share. Now comes the main part, taking the screenshot. Most keyboards include a print screen key, often labeled as print screen. When you press this key, it captures an image of your entire screen. After taking the screenshot, click inside the message box in the chat where you normally type your messages. Then paste the screenshot by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. The screenshot will appear directly in the chat window. To share it, simply click the Send button, usually shown as an arrow or paper plane icon next to the message box. Your screenshot will be instantly sent to your teammate or group chat. Here's a quick pro tip before we finish. If you need more control and don't want to capture your entire screen, Windows includes a built-in tool called the snipping tool. This tool lets you select a specific area of your screen, which is perfect when you only want to share part of what you're seeing. And that's all there is to taking and sharing screenshots in Microsoft Teams. With this simple method, you can quickly share visuals that make communication clearer and collaboration more effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.